Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day, and we have our February cup, and today I am drinking passion fruit tea, and it is my 267th floss tube, and today is February 11th, 2025. So, welcome to February, guys, again. Very nice tea. I got a few gifts from my friend Diane, and I just wanted to share a couple of them with you. First one is my gingerbread man ginger cookies. Yum. And she got me a tea sampler. So it has 12 different kinds of tea. So we'll be trying those out through the month of February, since it seems to be tea month for sure. Let's see, we have ginger peach tea, passion fruit tea, green tea, Moroccan mint tea, Christmas spice tea, mango tea, honey lemon tea, vanilla chai tea, and Earl Grey. So yeah, lots to choose from. Thank you so much. I do love it. And I wanted to share with you this diamond painting thing that she got me. And hopefully I can hold it where I can't take it out of the plastic. But yeah, it's on its own frame, and it comes with all the drills and everything. So I might be starting this week. I just absolutely love it. It's so colorful and bright. Thank you, Diane, for the lovely gifts. So yeah, it's been a week. Yeah, oh my goodness. We only had 3 reviews. I don't know how that happened. And 3 starts, and I worked on a few other things like here, there, and everywhere. So we will start with the starts. And this one, oh dear, let's see, not sure. Oh, VIP cross stitch. So very beautiful, just absolutely gorgeous. Nope, this came from DP Clubs. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got the name wrong, or the company wrong. But is that not gorgeous? It's the 9 count. Put that picture back in there, because we might have another stitch with me at some time. But all I've gotten done, I didn't have time to get back to it, was we started on the flowers right here. So I'm sure they'll go fairly easy. This kit reminds me of my golden dragon, the way it looks like things are in rivers. So yeah, let's see if I can get that back in there. Oh, maybe. Oh goodness. But yeah, I just think it's gorgeous, and I don't care if it's a 9 count or not. And we also started, this one came from VIP. It was called Birds and Flowers as well. Just gorgeous. Partial, love it. And I still have my, oh please, my needle minder here on there, but we just started right up there in the corner ish. Well, I didn't start with the butterfly, I guess he's in the corner, but yeah, so I'll be working on that one the rest, you know, sometime this week. But very lovely. I do like it because it's small, you know, just need small things sometimes. Let me put that down there and put that there. And last but not least, I got this one from New Craft Day. It is the 12 Golden Ladies, and I started right in here on, yep, on this side. Usually I start on this side, but this time we started right here because the trees, or trees, bushes, plants, whatever they are. Yeah, I just thought they were easier. So I've been working a little bit on that. Let me see if I can hold this stupid thing up. It weighs a ton. And my shoulder's killing me today. Because we're about to get snow, I can tell. But yeah, so I worked on that green part up there. And then I started the two-tone. I don't know if I started. Yep, I did put the extra blue in there. So that's a fan that somebody's holding or it's sitting there. So yeah, it's coming right along. Right along. So we keep it out. Let me put that underneath there. And those are the only starts that I had this week. Some weeks I'm in the mood and others not so much. I also worked on, speaking of the silk dragon, and I'll show you make sure it was right side up, what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love this. And this came from the 7 Great store. So I didn't get back to where we worked. I ended up making sure I have all the threads in my hand, working on his head, trying to get it completed. So just adding more colors in here and trying to move this way. So yeah, but for the video, I did start over here with that red because I used this one for my February Saturday stitching. Oh please, I got threads in my hands. I'm trying to get it in the bag. Some days better than others. And this one I got from AliExpress. I had to think for a minute. The one with no DMC numbers in it, but it doesn't bother me. You know, push come to shove, if I had to go and look for a color, it's all out on a wall, so I just start matching things up if I had to. So yeah, I'd really rather they had the DMC numbers. But yeah, so I am working on this side. I had to think where I was at, and just up here in the trees, well actually it was the trees, there's like yellow and green trees up here, and then it comes in down into the pink, and then you get the building. But yeah, it was just very easy to work on, and didn't get much of it worked on this week at all. But started putting that yellow, you can kind of see it's yellow, but you can't really hardly tell. There's where we worked when I did the video, and I didn't get any further. So some weeks are like that because I wanted to work on something else, I guess. And that something else that I made a lot of progress is, if I can get the picture, Mediterranean style, and it came from VIP cross stitch as well. So we got this back in September, and I've been mainly right up in this side of this picture. There's going to be a lot of sky and a lot of water, but we're just working on right over in here. Yeah. So I couldn't seem to put it down at all. Let's see if I can get it undone. So I've been working on the tops of the next level of buildings right here. Just trying to work it across, and there's like 2 or 3 more symbols up in this mess. I'm not sure what that is, like bushes, trees. Yeah. We tried to work up in here at one point. Yeah, it was just too much the same, so I put a whole thread into that and part of these mountains here behind it. But yeah, I just absolutely love this. It's so easy to work on, just absolutely wonderful. It reminds me of Colorful Town a lot, but one's spring and one is Joy Sunday. But it's just easy to stitch on, and I don't know about the back stitching, and you even got that far, so yeah. But that is everything that I started, everything that I've been working on. So just kind of here, there, and everywhere, yeah. I wouldn't say I made a lot of progress. Of course, if I end up stitching on a 14 count, it just takes forever, it seems like, for me to get any progress. So we'll keep on the buildings and throw in some other colors, but yeah, it'll stay out. But that is everything. Now, this week, I don't have a dang thing going. I doubt that my friend, not Diane, but my other friend from Arizona won't be coming this week, because we're supposed to have all kinds of snow, and I'm not sure about their neck of the woods. We did this last year, and there was snow in, we'll call it the northern part of Arizona, and they couldn't even get through. They went 8 hours and only got like 100 miles. So, yeah, that didn't happen. So I don't think they'll be coming this week. So I don't know when and where and how much snow we're supposed to get, or even if we will get any. That's how it works here. So yeah, I think that is about it. I mean, it's just been kind of a quiet week. Even at work, it was quiet. Yeah. So no plans, excuse me, on what's going to happen this week. Except for on Saturday, we'll have our February Saturday stitching. Say that 3 times fast. With the color red. I got that tea down my throat the wrong way. But yeah, so join us for that. That's 1 Mountain Standard Time. 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time in the USA. So join me for that. And I'd love to hear what y'all are working on for the red color. You know, doesn't have to be cross stitch. You know, it can be whatever craft you're into. I always say that because I don't want to, what do you call it, just keep it centralized like that. Everybody's got their own joy of crafting, and I think you should be able to share that. So thank you, everyone, for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.